What is going on, everybody? We are here at Hiccups Restaurant and Teahouse in Loma Linda, California. They're brand new, opening on Monday, November 18th, okay? So come check them out. They've got fried rice, noodle dishes, pho. They have an assortment of drinks. This place looks bomb.com, so let's go check it out. Now I know what you're wondering, did Thanksgiving come early? It did not. We just got a ton of food. We got kimchi fried rice, these are fried tofu bites. This is their version of carne asada fries. It's their shaken beef fries, sriracha fries. Got some traditional pho, and over here are the garlic noodles with shaken beef. You guys, these dishes were incredible. Each one that had something so unique, so tasteful about each one. Probably one of my standout favorites are these garlic noodles. I would highly recommend that you get these. Texture was good, flavor was good, consistency was good, all of it so delicious. In fact, I'm gonna stop talking because I wanna go back to eating. Well, that's a wrap here at Hiccups Teahouse and Restaurante. You guys, this place is amazing. It was so very good. We tried a handful of things. Each one was so great. It's Vietnamese infused. It is fantastic. Please check this place out. They also have great veggie options for you guys that are non-meat eaters. Brand for you as well. And not to forget that just across the street is Fix Creamery. You can check out a link for that video somewhere around there. And also, we just want to give a huge shout out and thank you to everybody that's been interacting with us online. You guys, we love doing this. We love doing this with you as well as for you. So please spread the word, share to your friends. We'll see you again real soon.